matrices, matrices, matrices. So matrices is a plural, plural form of a matrix, plural form of a matrix. Matrices is a plural form of matrix. It is a plural form of a matrix. What is a matrix? A matrix is a group of elements or the numbers. The definition of the matrix: the definition of the matrix: an ordered rectangular array, an ordered rectangular array of elements is called a matrix. Is called a matrix. An ordered. What is the meaning of ordered? Order means so ఒక వరుస, ఒక క్రమం, ఒక వరుస, ఒక క్రమం. Array. Array means arrangement, అమరిక. Rectangular means దీర్ఘచతురస్రం, దీర్ఘచతురస్రం. ఎలిమెంట్స్, అంశములు, మాత్రికలోని అంశములు, మాత్రికలోని అంశములు. So this is the definition of the matrix. An ordered rectangular array of elements is called a matrix. An ordered rectangular array of elements is called a matrix. అంటే దీర్ఘచతురస్రాకారములో అమర్చినటువంటి కొన్ని వస్తువుల సమూహమును, ఇక్కడ వస్తువులు నెంబర్లు కావచ్చు, లేదంటే ఒక ప్రమేయాలు కావచ్చు, ఫంక్షన్స్ కావచ్చు, వాటిని ఒక క్రమంలో అమర్చినట్టయితే అటువంటి అమరికని మాత్రిక అంటాం. ఇంగ్లీష్లో మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, మాత్రికలకి ఒక ఉదాహరణ చూసుకున్నట్టయితే, ఈ మాత్రికల్ని ఉదాహరణ కన్నా ముందు ఎలా సూచిస్తాము అంటే, capital letters of English denoted by capital letters of English denoted by capital letters of English, that is A, B, C up to Z, X, Y, Z, all these capital letters. and these matrices are represented in these brackets, or this type of brackets, square bracket or brace, మామూలు బ్రాకెట్. సో ఈ బ్రాకెట్స్ ద్వారా మనం రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, there is a matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. For example, this is a matrix. So in this matrix, for example, A is equal to, this is a matrix. In this matrix, the horizontal, this is the horizontal lines, this is the horizontal line, 1 2 3 the horizontal line. So this is 4 5 6 is another horizontal line, 7 8 9 is another horizontal line. So these are called rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3. The vertical lines 1 4 7 is called columns. Column 1, and this is column 2, this is column 3, column C1, C2, C3. The vertical lines are called columns. Column 1, column 2, column 3. And this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 are called elements of the matrix. Elements of the matrix. Elements of the matrix. And this is the symbol. This is the symbol belongs to. Here the element 1 belongs to A. This is the A set. 1 belongs to A, right? For example, 99 does not belongs to A. So the symbol is does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. This is a symbol. Does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. This is belongs to. This symbol is belongs to. Moreover, the matrix are represented with rows, number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows into number of columns. For example, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 3 rows into 3 columns. 3 rows into 3 columns. So this is called the corner elements. Corner elements 1 5 9. 1 5 9 is called principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. This is the principal diagonal. This is the principal diagonal. Element 1, 5, 9. Principal diagonal. 3, 5, 7 is another diagonal. Another diagonal. 3, 5, 7 is another diagonal. Next, in this matrix we discussed about rows, columns and the diagonals. Next, what order of a matrix? We are going to discuss about order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. For example, arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In matrix form. Matrix form. Let us observe the arrangements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one type of arrangement. So in this arrangement we have how many rows? Only one row. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6. This is 1 by 6. Write into and read as 1 by 6. And then I can also arrange this one like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This type of arrangement. In this arrangement, 2 rows are there and 1, 2, 3 columns are there. So this is 2 by 3. This matrix is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 matrix. 2 rows are there and 3 columns are there. This is 2 by 3 matrix. I can also arrange like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this matrix, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there. 2 columns are there. 3 rows and 2 columns. R1, R2, R3. C1, C2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Also, I can arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also another arrangement. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. How many columns? 1 column. 6 by 1 column. These are all the different arrangement, different matrices of the elements 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from this I can conclude that the order of a matrix is number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows, into number of columns. Number of rows into number of columns present in a matrix is called its order. Its order, is called its order. So this is 1 into 6 order. This is 2 into 3 order. Write into and read as 2 by 3. This is 1 by 6. This is 3 by 2. 3 into 2. Read as 3 by 2. But write into. This is 6 by 1 matrix. 6 rows and 1 column is there. 6 by 1 matrix. Number of rows into number of columns present in a matrix is called its order. Okay, thank you very much, and we will discuss the next items in the next class. Thank you.